Hi there, I'm Reyes, this is Spanish from Spain, and today we're going to talk about agreements and disagreements. Well, hi there, I'm Reyes. Welcome again to Spanish from Spain, or welcome for the first time if it's your first time. Well, first we're going to talk about disagreements, and we're going to talk about colloquial disagreements. Disagreements that we're going to say if we know the people we're talking, or if we are kind of offense because of the agreement that they try to make with us, okay? So, first we have estar de coña. Estar de coña. And it means, are you joking? Are you kidding me? For example, imagine that I say, te cambio mi coche que tiene 15 años por el tuyo que es nuevo. And this exchange is, I would like to change my car, which is 15 years old, for yours that is new. What are you going to say to me? Probably you're going to say, are you kidding me? Estás de coña. Estás de coña. The other expression that you're going to learn is, ¿lo dices en serio? ¿Lo dices en serio? You mean that? Are you talking seriously? I mean, are you joking? It's more or less kind of the same, okay? ¿Lo dices en serio? For example, if we have the other example with the car, I'm going to say to you, ¿lo dices en serio? But I have another example from Twitter, and you're going to see how a guy used this expression, and I think it's kind of useful for you, okay? Let's watch it. Un buen ejemplo de la expresión ¿lo dices en serio? Lo tenemos en este tuit de Nika Iruña, donde dice, lo de juntar izquierda y el país es un mal chiste, ¿no? Muy malo, pero chiste al fin. ¿O lo dices en serio? Okay, so now we're going to see little disagreements, okay? We're going to disagree a little bit. And we have the expression, for example, no estoy conforme del todo. I don't agree totally, okay? So I have doubts about your proposition, for example. If someone tells me, tú te encargas de los gastos en publicidad y yo pago a los empleados, I can answer. Puedo contestar, no estoy conforme del todo. So, if someone says to us, you pay the ads of this project, and I will pay the employees, and maybe I'm not convinced at all, or I have doubts about this proposition, I'm going to tell you, no estoy conforme del todo. Okay? Other expression that we can use is, no me parece justo. It isn't fair. It isn't completely fair. We can use this expression. Imagine that someone tell us, bueno, yo me encargo del informe, I finish the report, y tú mandas los emails, and you send the emails. And maybe this report is almost finished, and I have to send like 20 emails, so, okay, hold on. No me parece justo, it isn't fair, I'm going to do more, I'm going to work harder than you, I'm going to spend more time doing my task than yours, okay? And the last expression that we're going to see is, entiendo lo que quieres decir, pero. So I understand what you're talking, what you mean, but. And this but is when we're going to say something to disagree. Entiendo lo que quieres decir, pero. Entiendo lo que quieres decir, pero no me interesa mucho publicitarme en Facebook, for example. So, I understand what you mean, I understand your proposition, but it is not very interesting for me to buy publicity or to buy ads on Facebook, for example. Well, now we're going to totally disagree. If we totally disagree with someone or something, we say de ninguna de las maneras. This is the way we say no way, no way, I'm not going to do that, or it isn't fair at all. De ninguna de las maneras. No voy a aceptar ese trato, esas condiciones, de ninguna de las maneras. So there is no way I'm going to accept your deal.
En el periódico Naif tenemos la noticia. Barcos señala que de ninguna de las maneras baraja la salida de Beaumont del gobierno.
We have seen disagreements, and now it's time to see agreements. First, we're going to agree, but these agreements are kind of, okay, we are not very expressive, okay, we are not very happy with them, and we have this expression, bueno, okay? So, if we want to agree with someone but we are not very happy with these conditions or with this deal, we say, bueno. So, for example, we're going to split the profits 50-50. Vamos a repartir las ganancias al 50%. And someone can tell us, bueno. Okay? So this person agree with us, but he doesn't think that it's going to be a good deal for him. Okay? Maybe he has to or she has to, but it's okay. Bueno. Now we're going to agree, and we have two expressions to agree. The first one is de acuerdo. Por ejemplo, te vendo mi parte del proyecto, mi parte del negocio, por 80.000 euros. So, I sell you my part of the business for 80,000 euros. And this person can say, de acuerdo. Okay? So, he thinks or she thinks, it's okay. The other expression is perfecto, perfect, cool, perfect. Hemos decidido contratar a 2 diseñadores para este proyecto. So we have decided to hire 2 designers for this project. And they say, okay, it's okay, perfecto, perfect, we agree. And finally, if we totally agree with someone, I'm going to show you 2 expressions. They are going to be really useful to express this agreement. No podría estar más de acuerdo. I couldn't agree more. Okay? I couldn't agree more. No podría estar más de acuerdo contigo. I couldn't agree more with you. The second expression is estoy totalmente de acuerdo. I totally agree with you. And if someone comes here and says to me, Reyes, eres el mejor profesor del mundo y he decidido pagarte 3 veces más tu sueldo. He decidido triplicarte el sueldo. Y además, toma esta cerveza. And he says, Reyes, you are the best teacher in the world and I decided to pay you 3 times more your salary. And take this beer. What am I going to say? Estoy totalmente de acuerdo contigo. Claro. Well, if you totally agree that this lesson is useful for you, give it a like, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Now it's time to say goodbye to you. You can follow me on Facebook as Spanish from Spain. You have a lot of resources there. You can follow me as well on Instagram as Spanish from Spain as well. And that's it. Now I have to say goodbye with this glass of beer. Thank you very much for your piropo. Bye!